Hey, what's up, guys? I've been just like thinking, and it's just some random video, anyways. But um, I'm astounded that a lot of my fans out there still keeps track of me. Just to let you guys know, I'm still here. I am in the process of making an album and stuff like that. So it is in a process right now. So if you guys like stick around, aku kumali jalo ni hati ya. I'll be at the new year of this year, and I'll have an album out, and I'll be selling. So, actually, um, but yeah, I'm just here to say thanks for everybody being supportive, and I went through all my videos today. I just went through all my videos and just reading all the comments, and people that really love me, and people that want to buy my first album and stuff like that, and just praying, saying, asking me that when is my album coming out. I'm really appreciative of you guys for doing that, and for looking forward for me. um, what else? Being Singing is such a passion that I have. I don't know where it came from, but it's something that came from deep within. Like every time I sing, I'll perform to my max, or I'll try my hardest and my best. I recently found somebody on YouTube that does do videos or does do music, and I'm actually working with that guy right now. Hopefully, we'll come up with something, but I do have something already. So I'll make duplicates, and I'll be selling some of my musics. Some of my stuff are gonna be basically some of my stuff on YouTube too. Just the fact that a lot of people knows it, and they might even want it in the CDs again. Other than that, I've been doing pretty good. I've just been working hard at things. Everybody's life is changing, and mine too, and trying to keep track of singing and stuff. Haven't been really singing lately, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But anyways, for people that are asking me about this year's audition, I did audition for this year's audition. Yeah. I did sing a couple songs, and he did see some of my stuff. I don't know how it's going. Haven't heard from him for like a month or two, so I guess that's kind of down the drain. But oh yeah, people have been wanting requests from me. I don't know how that's gonna go. I have a lot of requests. Oh, it's a lot, especially when people wants me to make them into home. Um, Here is the deal. So here's the deal with requests and translating them to home and stuff like that for you guys. Well, the deal is, first I would need an instrumental. So an instrumental would be just the background music. I would actually need instrumental music in order to do the home version, because usually you would have to buy it. Sometimes YouTube have it for free. That's why I can't really do a lot of covers, instrumental versions, because your video your music your original music so more just instrumental. So we'll tell you what so I apologize to people who does requests and stuff like that. You have to find me an instrumental in order for me to do that for you. Other than that, thanks again for following up on me, and just kind of supporting me. I know our home community, we're kind of bad in that, of as in supporting each other and things like that. I know people say shit about me, and say, oh, you're not good and stuff like that, but I try my best, and hopefully other people will see that I do try my best. I did make some other videos recently. If you haven't seen that, take a look at that. Oh yeah, so every New Year, every tournament that happens in Wisconsin, I'm gonna try to make it, and sing there. So you guys look out for me, and I'm always singing. So if they say, hey, there's a Xiong, then I'll be singing. So come and watch me sing. I don't know when's the next one. Let me know. And also, if you guys live in Wisconsin, pretty close nearby, and you guys need me to do maybe some cover songs or I'll have a song at a party, graduation party, something like that, that I can make it, that I know that I can make it, I will definitely come and doing it for you. I'm more than happy. If I do have the money to get up there or get where you are, doing it. But yeah, so that's something that I want to throw out there. Even if you guys have weddings and stuff, just get the equipment and I'll just bring my music on a CD or something like that, and I'll just play and I'll just sing some slow songs for you guys and for people who really enjoy me singing. And that is it. So I don't have anything else to say. I'll keep you guys updated on what I'm doing, things like that. I just haven't been doing it lately because, tell you the truth, YouTube is kind of repetitive in a way, making videos back and forth and singing all the time. But reading your comments and everybody's comments always give me more motivation to do more. So I thank you guys a lot. I thank all my fans a lot. Yeah, that's all I can say. So thanks. Bye bye. I'll see you guys soon. And also, if you have any questions that I can answer for you guys, feel free to ask me, and I'll tell you all about it. So any questions at all goes, I'll be able to answer your questions for you.